Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Martin's Auto Spa. In this episode, I will be teaming up with Caleb from Impeccable Image Detailing, and we are going to one-step polish and ceramic coat this beautiful blue Hellcat. So without further ado, let's take a look now at the process on making this beast go from looking beautiful to absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy. Alright, and that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share. Also, thank you to Caleb from Impeccable Image Detailing for allowing me to come out and give a hand on this beast today. I'm going to put a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. Thanks again, and have a great day.